NEC Article 700.45b addresses the requirement for luminaries at stair landings. Specifically, luminaries shall be provided at every landing. This requirement applies to every permanent floor or landing. Additionally, it applies to every landing where stairs flip sides. Therefore, if you have a permanent floor or a landing as part of a staircase, luminaries are needed. If the stairs change direction at a landing, luminaries are needed there as well. Article 700.45b is under emergency systems, which means these luminaries are required to be powered by the emergency power system. The purpose of this requirement is to ensure safe egress during an emergency. Proper illumination at stair landings is crucial for preventing accidents and injuries during evacuations or power outages. When installing or inspecting electrical systems in buildings, it is vital to comply with NEC Article 700.45b to meet safety standards. The phrase every landing implies each intermediate level or platform between flights of stairs where a person can stand before continuing up or down the staircase. The term permanent floor refers to a level that is a structural part of the building, as opposed to a temporary platform or mezzanine. When stairs flip sides, it means the direction of the staircase changes at a landing, such as a U-shaped staircase where the user ascends in one direction and then reverses direction to continue upward. The specific type of luminaire is not defined in this section of the NEC but should be appropriate for illuminating the stair landing effectively. Considerations for selecting a luminaire may include light output, energy efficiency, and durability. The placement of the luminaire should provide sufficient illumination to ensure users can safely navigate the stair landing. Factors to consider when determining the location include the size of the landing and the presence of any obstructions. Regularly inspect and maintain the luminaries at stair landings to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any damaged or non-operational luminaries promptly to maintain safety standards. Article 700 covers emergency systems, which are essential for providing lighting and power during power outages or other emergencies. Emergency systems are designed to automatically supply illumination and power to specified areas and equipment when the normal power supply fails. These systems are crucial for ensuring the safety of building occupants and facilitating orderly evacuation during emergencies. The NEC provides detailed requirements for the design, installation, and maintenance of emergency systems. These requirements cover various aspects, including power sources, transfer switches, wiring methods, and lighting fixtures. Emergency lighting is a critical component of emergency systems, providing illumination to exit routes, stairwells, and other areas essential for evacuation. Emergency lighting fixtures must be powered by a reliable source, such as batteries or generators, and must be designed to provide adequate illumination for a specified duration. Regular testing and maintenance of emergency lighting systems are essential to ensure they are functioning correctly and ready to operate when needed. Exit signs are another important element of emergency systems, providing clear and visible directions to the nearest exits. Exit signs must be illuminated and readily visible, even during a power outage. The NEC specifies the requirements for the size, color, and placement of exit signs to ensure they are easily recognizable. Fire alarm systems are designed to detect and alert occupants to the presence of a fire. These systems typically include smoke detectors, heat detectors, and manual pull stations. When a fire is detected, the alarm system activates audible and visual signals to alert occupants and initiate evacuation procedures. Fire suppression systems are designed to automatically extinguish or control a fire. These systems typically include sprinklers, standpipes, and fire extinguishers. Fire suppression systems are essential for protecting property and preventing the spread of fire. Emergency communication systems are used to provide information and instructions to building occupants during emergencies. These systems may include public address systems, two-way radios, and emergency telephones. Emergency communication systems are essential for coordinating evacuation efforts and providing updates to occupants. Emergency power systems provide backup power to essential equipment and systems during power outages. These systems typically include generators, batteries, and uninterruptible power supplies or UPS. Emergency power systems are critical for maintaining essential services such as lighting, ventilation, and communication during emergencies. The NEC requires emergency systems to be designed and installed to meet specific performance criteria. These criteria include the ability to automatically transfer to backup power within a specified time, provide adequate illumination for a specified duration, and withstand environmental conditions. Regular inspections and testing of emergency systems are essential to ensure they are functioning correctly and ready to operate when needed. The NEC requires emergency systems to be inspected and tested at regular intervals to verify their performance. Proper maintenance of emergency systems is essential to ensure they remain reliable and effective. The NEC provides guidelines for maintaining emergency systems, including regular cleaning, lubrication, and replacement of one component. The goal is to ensure that luminaries are always present, in good operating condition, and meet the illumination requirements to allow people to egress safely. Consider built-in codes as well, since built-in codes and the NEC work in tandem to provide adequate safety measures. Building codes specify the construction and design requirements for buildings, while the NEC focuses on the electrical systems within those buildings. Both sets of codes work together to ensure the safety of building occupants. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and industry best practices. Staying up to date with the latest edition of the NEC is essential for electrical professionals to ensure they are complying with the most current safety standards. Continuing education and training are important for electrical professionals to stay informed about changes to the NEC and other industry developments. Various organizations offer courses and certifications to help electrical professionals enhance their knowledge and skills. Working with a qualified and licensed electrician is essential for ensuring electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with the NEC. Licensed electricians have the training and experience necessary to design, install, and maintain electrical systems properly. Consider local requirements and amendments as well. The NEC allows local jurisdictions to adopt amendments to the code to address specific local conditions or concerns. Be sure to check with your local building department to determine if any amendments to the NEC are in effect in your area. By adhering to NEC Article 700.45b, electrical contractors and building owners can ensure that stair landings are adequately illuminated during emergencies, contributing to the safety of building occupants.